In this session, we will see how to repair the multimeter. In most of the what happens, when we see multimeter, we are not able to see anything on the display. So the problem could be is that its battery has been drained. So we will see how to replace the battery of multimeter. First, remove the two probes. And at the back side of multimeter, there are two screws. Remove these two screws first. Now, next open the back side of multimeter. Here we can see, here is 9-volt battery. What we have to do, we have to remove this battery, and instead of this battery, we have to place the new battery over here. When we remove this battery, here we can see, here is a positive terminal and here is negative terminal. So we can say this is positive terminal and this is negative terminal. So what we have to do, we have to place a new battery over here. So in same way, what we have to do, the positive terminal battery is at downside and negative terminal battery is at upside. So place the battery. Now what we have to do, we have to check whether display is showing any digits or not. Now see, here we can see display is showing the digits. So we can say multimeter has started. So now put the back cover. And place the screws at their positions. Now here see, we are able to see the digits. Now first, place the probes. Black probe is connected at common and red probe is connected at V. Now we will see whether it is correctly showing the resistor value and whether it is showing the continuity or not. First, we will see the continuity. See, this is symbol of continuity. Now when we connect two probes, we can hear the sound. So we can say it is working properly. In the same way, we can also measure the continuity of wire. See, it is showing the continuity. So we can say continuity working properly. Next, what we will do, we will measure the resistor. So place this knob at 20k resistor. Now see, it is measuring the resistor. It is around 6.4k. So we can say our multimeter has started and showing the correct results.